Will and Dwyer, are you in there? It's CCPD. Open up. Will and Dwyer?
Hey, listen, man. I don't care what that guy says. He was drunk, and I was defending.
This is about your sister, Mr. Dwyer. There's been an accident, a meta attack.
Can't put me on hold. I don't care about this next of kin crap. I don't want this kid. Hello? Hello? Oh, damn it. Hey. What?
It's breakfast.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Look, it's only a few days old. It's still good, I swear.
He's had a few recent outbursts, and we don't allow cursing here. This type of behavior cannot continue. Anyway, that's the long and short of it. I'll give you two a moment.
You called a kid a rat bastard? What's wrong with you? Don't you know you can't go around saying stuff like that?
Why?
Well, 'cause then I get a phone call. You know, I had to take off work to come down here.
You don't even like your job.
What?
You stay on the couch all day, and then when work calls, you curse and slam the door. Rat bastards.
Look, I get where you heard it. All right, but you can't say those words.
Rat bastards.
Hey, quit it.
Rat bastards.
Stop.
Rat bastards.
Hey, listen to me. I'm supposed to be the parent here.
No, you're not a parent. Parents are supposed to make the world better for their kids. You make everything worse. I hate you, and you hate you too.
Okay, watch your step. And open your eyes.
Whose house is this?
It's my cousin Robbie's. He doesn't live here anymore, but he said if I fix it up, we could stay here.
What's this?
That is a dollhouse. Or it can be, once we build it. And, you know, you can pick out furniture and colors or wallpaper and decorate it how you want. Hey, I know we didn't get off to the greatest start these past few months. Okay, it was a lousy start, but I want to fix all that. Well, I was thinking that while I work on this place, we could work on this one too. Together. Listen, you were right, kid. I do hate me. I don't really know any other way to be, but I want to do right by you, Gracie. I want to keep you safe and warm, fed. You know, just give you all the things a kid should have.
Let's start with the dollhouse.
Okay.